Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. Today I'm upgrading my dining room with some of the gifts that have been sent to me for my birthday. Thank you everyone that sent me gifts. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the birthday wishes. I'm so grateful guys. Let's get to work. I'm going to change the wall decor because the first gift I'm going to unbox is a beautiful mirror that I received for my birthday. As you can see, guys, it's super big and it's very beautiful. Thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that into my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Bienvenue sur channel moi. Si c'est première fois vin là, moi dis bienvenue. Vidéo ça moi fait spécialement pour me dire tout le monde merci, tout le monde qui te voyé cadeau pour moi, qui te souhaité une bonne fête. Moi dis nous tout merci, 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 un grand merci parce que nous pas comment ça touche. This birthday gift, it's one of my favorite one. I love it so much. It come from somebody very, very special to me. So thank you so much. I have decided to not say everybody's name that sent me gift because the list will be too long because there's a lot of gifts that I'm not going to unbox in this particular video because I have different kind of gifts. This charger, it's a birthday gift. And the placement, that's something I already have. I ordered them from P.O Box. The dining plate, that's something I already have at the house. Those are my birthday gifts. They are so gorgeous. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Is it finished, look, guys? Thank you so much. Let me know what do you think. If you guys like it, give me a big thumbs up. And I truly appreciate all of you that taking your time watching my video. I'm so in love with this centerpiece. I have an office makeover coming up very soon. I'm working on it right now. So please hit the notification bell so when it comes out so you don't miss it. And thank you again for all the birthday wishes, for all the gifts. Guys, I truly appreciate you. And I'm so grateful for all of you guys. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. God bless you all. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.